for our next dinner recipe, we'll be doing an oven roasted chicken, which we marinate overnight using Maggi seasoning, Maggi all-purpose and Maggi chicken seasoning. We also put in a little crushed peppers, pepper flakes, and we season it with cumin. We'll be baking this in the oven for approximately 15 minutes. Then we'll be serving that up with some stir-fry, veggie stir-fry rice. We have our mixed veg here, or rice which was cooked overnight. And we'll be adding a little soy sauce to give it the color. And so let's get started right away. Vegetable oil, not a lot, because we don't want the chicken to stick to the pot bottom, so we'll be greasing it. We're adding our chicken to the pan, preheat or oven already preheated. We'll just be sliding this in the oven for 15 minutes. Then we get started on the veggie fried rice. Oh my god, those spices, they smell awesome. And just to remind you again, all these items, everything for the 3 meals, are less than $2,000. We'll be showing the shopping list at the end of the video. The ground seasoning like the onion, the scallion, were not included in the cost, but you know. Okay, so let's try this in all the flavor. Just adding the sauce that was left in the bowl to it. Let it cook for a little bit more. Absorb all that Jamaican spice. Look at that color. Okay, I'm going to slide this back in the oven for the next 5 minutes.
So now we're going to start off our next segment with our stir fry rice. So we mix 2 eggs here. We mix them together. We have our sweet pepper here, our scallion, some diced onion, some garlic, some mixed vegetable, and our miracle soy sauce. And blow our eggs, so we're going to add our egg to our heated pot of oil with oil. We're going to let that cook first before we start to scramble it up. So we're going to set our egg aside in a bowl and begin our next process. So we're now going to add some diced garlic, some diced onion, stir, some sweet pepper, scallion, add our mixed vegetable, rice. So add it little by little and stir it up.
Already?
So we have fully combined our rice. So now we're going to add our pre-cooked egg, and scrambled egg that we did before, and some soy sauce. Stir. So our fried rice is finished. Let's give it a taste test. Our second meal is finished. Our baked chicken, some shredded vegetable, and our stir-fried veggie rice. Look at that juicy chicken. I didn't want the video.
Moisture inside. Look at that. Ooh. Now take a taste test. Now we're going to do the final recipe. We're going to do a chicken noodle soup. The final video. We have our bag noodle here. we're going to use just a little bit of cocktail because we're going to use one of the packet on this. And we have some chicken parts here, which we're going to put to cook first. So we're adding our meat chicken to the pot. We're going to allow it to cook 10 minutes. Okay, so our chicken is cooked. We're going to add in our noodles and a little bit of our Maggi cocktail, pumpkin flavor, and then we're going to allow it to cook. We don't want it to overcook, because we don't want. This is just simple idea. Nothing fancy, you know, we're Jamaicans. But if you want, you can just add in a slice of pumpkin in there. You can even add in some spinners, or if you have some Irish, you can slide it in there. But because we're doing this video to show cook on a budget, just really simple. To garnish with some fresh scallion, and our dish is ready. Take my picture. Okay guys, thank you for tuning into our video today. Hope you enjoy all our delicious meal ideas, and as I said, link for all the recipe is in the description below. You can also follow Invest in Your Health TV channel. The link is in the description below. Tune in next time for a more interesting video. Thank you.